Peace, everybody. Assalamu alaikum. This is your man, Brother Herman, Supreme Style Muhammad. And I was in my backyard thinking again. Wanted to share a little bit of wisdom with regards to relationships that I've learned in my time being married and just in life in general. So for all of you younger brothers, your Uncle Herm got a word for you. Brothers and sisters. And I was thinking, there's a song, man, that Teddy Pendergrass wrote a long time ago. And in the song, he's talking about relationships. And there's a lyric where he says he don't want a 70-30. He don't want a 60-40. He's talking about a 50-50 love. And so he's talking about relationships, man, and saying that if you break it down in percentages, that if a man brings his 50 and a woman brings her 50, it makes 100, and you solid. So Teddy talked about, and he sung that song, and it's an awesome song. He's talking about a 50-50 love. But Teddy didn't quite have it right. And I'm saying this based upon my experience, as well as based upon what my leader, the Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan, teaches us about male-female relationships. And that is, whenever you have a relationship of any value, you can't ever bring 50% and expect to be successful. That includes any endeavor that you partake in. If I cut a fade, because I'm Herman Supreme Style Muhammad and we invented the fade, I can't go and stand in back of that brother who's in my chair and give him a 50% effort. Likewise at your job, whatever you do, if you're an expert at it, you can't ever give 50% and expect for it to be a satisfactory performance. You've got to give 100%. And so with male and female relationships, the Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan teaches us, in my experience, bears witness too. Not to say that I'm perfect, that I always bring 100%, but in order to be successful in a relationship, brothers, you have to bring 100% in order to be successful in a relationship. Sisters, you got to give that man 100%. You can't give half the effort and expect the whole and full reward. I'm gonna say that again. Can't give half effort and expect the whole and full reward. So if you want a fulfilling relationship, you gotta keep it 100. You gotta give 100% to that brother, sisters. And brothers, you gotta give 100% to that sister, so that you know that if it does not work out, then you could always say, I gave my all. You could always say, I gave my all. But let me preface this conversation with something else, though, before we can give 100% of our efforts in that relationship. And that thing is that you have to fully know yourself, and you have to fully be in love with yourself, because you're not capable, I'm not capable of loving anyone or anything more love ourselves. No human being is. If a person says that they love you more than they love themselves, run away from that person, because that person is a liar. You cannot love anyone more than you love yourself. So you've got to know yourself. So teaches the Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad and Minister Farrakhan. And you have got to love yourself before you can know and love anyone else properly. But once that's taken care of, once you have that comfortable relationship with self, you are comfortable with living alone with yourself, then you can expand your breast spiritually, metaphorically, and physically, and love someone else. And you can give them 100% effort when it comes to that relationship. Listen, that was on my heart. That was just some things that was running through my mind as I was sitting in my backyard thinking. But what also is coming up is I'm going to be talking about a little bit of what's going on in Afghanistan, as well as what's going on, the latest developments with COVID and COVID-19. So check out my YouTube channel, youtube.com/Herman Muhammad, to check that out. That's my word, man. Peace and love. I hope this added some sort of value to your day. My thoughts. I hope I wasn't just rambling. Remember, if you don't stand for something, you'll fall for anything. Peace. We out. We'll see you next time.